Hi, my name is Alan Bradney. I'm the auto collision instructor located here at Parma Senior High School. This program is open to 10th, 11th, and 12th graders that are in the Parma City School District. I will take you over to our refinish area, our spray booth, where our vehicles are painted with the latest in technology of materials. As you can see, we have a fender that's ready for refinishing. Over here in this area, we have our classroom. Our classroom is located within the shop. Students will be using industry standards equipment. Students will be receiving an ICAR certification and college credits that are used for local and out-of-state tech programs. I would like to take and show you what our junior students are working on. This is called My Fender Farm, and each student will be getting a panel exactly like this with damage, and they will be trained on how to take and remove the damage and to finish it off ready for paint. In this area here, I have a vehicle up on the lift that I teach the students for estimating purposes so the customer knows exactly how much the vehicle repairs will cost. Over in this area, we have a customer vehicle that was a complete total loss, and we put it together back to factory specifications. Over here, if some students might be interested in some light restoration, we will provide that too. If you think that auto collision transportation is your thing to do, then please join us.